The occurrence of earthquakes is caused by the movement of the earth. Plates which have a vibrational effect on the earth's surface.
When there is a large enough force that comes from plate movement, the rock on the plate will stiffen.
As a result, the earth's plates can change shape.
Even plates can break or return to their original shape if the force is lost. The rock on the plate changes shape or deforms slowly over a period of time. When the rock hardens or tightens, its potential energy continues to increase. When the plates move or break, energy is released.
This energy causes vibration that propagates through other earth material. The greater the energy release, the more vibration will be felt. When a plate is broken into two pieces, each piece will move apart. The broken plate area is called fault. Meanwhile, waves that propagate along the surface of the earth, an earthquake wave area called seismic wave. A point in the depth of the earth that is the focus of an earthquake is called a hypocenter. The surface of the earth above the hypocenter is called the epicenter.
Thank you for watching. Bye.